What's going on, boys? Welcome to the video. Just got home from a bit of an expedition. Some things happened. We won't talk about those things. They have to do with the paint and all that stuff, because this thing did go back to Mako to get some stuff fixed, because there was some stuff that needed to get fixed. To be fair, I've never had an issue with this Mako ever. They've always done beautiful work on all my cars. This is Miranda's car is the 5th car I've sent there. This one, I just think maybe there was some lapses in judgment from not the owner at all, just the one of the workers there or something. But I picked it up. I got in contact with the owner, and what they're gonna do is make it right, which I respect immensely. And they're going to repaint the entire car. They're going to sand and repaint the entire car, and everything will be good. So I haven't been able to make videos in a while because of this, because I didn't have the 4Runner for like a week now. I just got it back, and now I have to they repainted the mirrors, which those look great. So I have to put the mirrors back on, and my door cards and stuff. And what else? I have to do some other stuff to it, dude. But one exciting thing is, I picked up, because they also painted the wing that I got for it. So I have the wing. Let's get this door card out of here. So I bought the Bertman spoiler, and yeah, so this thing looks super sick, and I need to install this because I need to see it on the car. So that's what we're gonna do. See, the spoiler came out fantastic. Like, this paint looks beautiful. Look at this. Nice close-up for you guys. Like, or let me back up a little bit because it's not focusing because of all the pearl. But this looks fantastic, especially for like a fiberglass piece. So shout out Bertman for the good fiberglass bodywork, and shout out Mako for the nice paint on this. Oh, it went all blurry. But yeah, anyways, it just kind of goes over here and it comes off the side over there. So that's what I'm going to do. But first, I got to put the mirrors back on. All right, so I got the original wing off. Now I just kind of have to wait for Miranda to get home, because the instructions, the brake light, and the hardware, I think there's hardware, are in her car. Because when we dropped this, I dropped this off to Mako when we dropped off her car. But yeah, I never noticed how weird these things look without that like little diffuser thing. But this is way cooler. I actually saw this wing on a car that I was gonna buy at Marketplace, which I'm glad I didn't, because it had rust. Oh, he wanted like 8,500, I think was the lowest. Yeah, it had like low miles. It had like 125K, but the frame was just like very crispy. Like, you could tell it was never undercoated or fluid filmed, because it was just like that OEM like gray and like flaky rust. So it might have been okay, but it definitely would have still been, you know, needed to get like needle scaled and stuff like that. So I ended up with a cheaper car that is cleaner, and yeah, but I had to have the wing, dude. I had to buy the Bertman Industries wing because I fucking love the way it looks. I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, 4Runner people, I believe it used to be like a factory option on the Hilux Surf, but it's hard to find like the original ones or whatever. So BertmanIndustries.com, I'm pretty sure that's the website. Look them up if you want this wing. This is like rare JDM stuff, but it's not OEM. So like, I'm king of reps, but it's still $400 fucking dollars. But I think it's well worth the $400 because you never see 4Runners with them on it. At least I didn't. I've never seen one with this wing on it until that one for sale. And I was just searching like 3rd gen 4Runner, like rear roof spoiler, like JDM spoiler, whatever. And I found forums, and then I found Bertman Industries, and then I found the wing. So it's like, I think it's 300 and the shipping's 100. So it's like $400, dude, but well fucking worth it, because that shit's fucking gangster. But anyways, I'm gonna wait until Miranda gets home, and I'll install this. And this will be my JDM roof wing install. Yeah, dude. And then this thing's going back to paint, getting everything fixed. It's gonna be beautiful. I mean, it's beautiful as is. Let's be real. It looks fucking good. It's just some things, some key components were missed. But that's okay, because if someone's standing on their business and standing by their business and willing to eat the cost, say sorry for the fuck up, we're gonna fix that, cool. If it was the other way around, not so cool. I would be like exposing, but let's wait and see how this comes out. And yeah, I don't think I'll have to do any exposing, you know what I mean? Because they're gonna do good work, and they're gonna sort everything out, and the car's gonna be beautiful, and I'll be happy, and I could do all my other stuff with it that I want to do, because I have a bunch of parts waiting in the house, dude. It's gonna be so fucking sick. You guys just gotta wait. Sorry for the lapse in videos. I'm just like, I haven't really had too much to film, and I don't want to do a bunch of yeah. All right, we're gonna got back from work. I got my light in this, and with this ran, honestly, the instructions are super fucking confusing, and the dude did warn me about this. He said, like, don't worry about like drilling too many holes or whatever. I'm like, dude, I'm not following these instructions. So I put some tape, I masked it off, I drew with a Sharpie right here. That's how I masked off, like, or marked off like where the pedestals are. So there's gonna be 2 holes here, a hole here for the wire to go through, 2 holes, 2 holes, 2 holes. Now the issue is, do I have that many self-tappers? Honestly, I don't think so, because I'm damn sure they didn't send me that many. I have up here 1, and it's not a self-tapper. Yeah. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I guess I'm just using these. This is what comes with the kit. Maybe if it costs another $20, maybe use some riv nuts, right? And some through bolts, which would be nice. But nonetheless, it's still a fucking sick product, so I'm not gonna fucking bitch too much. But for $400, dude, I would expect some riv nuts or something, not just like drilling into fiberglass, you know? And some better instructions, dude. Like, take a friggin' screenshot of this, guys. That's a lot to read, dude. I'm not doing that. I'm fucking just gonna install it, dude. It's a fucking wing. It's a fiberglass wing. How much fucking math do you think I have to actually do to do this? Anyways. I'll be needing that. I drill all the way through into the fucking car, dude. Good thing this thing's getting repainted again. But yeah, dude, we'll fucking go ahead and drill the holes. All right, guys, I've been busting ass trying to get this done before sundown, but you check out my tape job with the friggin', you know what I mean? Getting the friggin' water sealing going. Let me put this in there. I gotta get it going. The instruction calls for 2 people. I don't got 2 people right now. If your Miranda had to go get kitty litter, fucking get it going over here. All right, put it right on the hop to here, dude. Fucking. Don't slide off, please, for the love of God. Okay. I gotta take the 3rd brake light out so I can pass the wires through and connect these 3rd brake light wires to this 3rd brake light wire through the hole I just drilled. That's what I'm doing right now, dude. There you go, dude. I'll unplug that. Won't be needing that anymore. Actually, you know what? I don't even need to unplug it. Gets a little snip going. Boom. Well, the snip did not work. These are fucking clapped. Maybe I'll consult the instructions, dude. Maybe I'll consult. Because it should just tell me which one is power. I would assume that the white would be power, but it's the white with a black stripe, so I don't know. All right, I got it, all right? I got it. Hell yeah, dude. Let me get the nooner off the roof, dude, you know what I mean? Oh, Oh, and the 10 mil. Let's not forget the 10 mil, dude. And the bolt. I mean, nut, whatever. You know what I mean? Oh, okay. Sick. Oh, man. I've been trying to rush this. So, you know, filming's a little rough, but let's get a good gander. Dude, I think that looks so sick. Let me see if I could, like, get a better angle of it. Sorry, so here's it from the back. It's pretty sleek, like low profile. It doesn't look like super fucking, like, in your face, you know? You just gotta kind of, like, if you knew what you were looking at, you'd be like, what is that? But if you didn't, you'd be like, oh, that's factory. The side profile is the best, dude. That's good. That's real good. Looking like a proper fake surf now, dude. And it fits fucking good, dude. That's friggin' dialed, dude. That's a nice fit. Where's the other? Right here. Got the weather stripping in between it. Right there, weather stripping, boom. These little marks are just like my marker marks. Weather stripping, dude, look at that fit. All right, guys, the fit makes up for the lack of, you know what I mean, riv nut. It's good, but it's nice and freaking sturdy, dude. I could shake this whole car. Look at it, just by the wing. So cool, and it also comes with the third brake light, which I'll set this up over here so we get a better, like, better view of that. Let me see. And prop this up against something. Here you go. It doesn't flash that with the hazards. Cool though, dude. Look at that. New tail lights, right? Nice and crispy. New lights. The wing, the back of it. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think that I should get a rear tire carrier bumper or just make one and keep the stock bumper? I'm really leaning towards going all black with the bumpers. Because I kind of really don't like the chrome now. Huh? No, I am not needing roadside assistance. Come here. Come here. Okay, come here. Come here. No, look at this. Come here, help. No. Oh, yeah. She's cooking dinner. She's cooking dinner in there, but she won't come look at my third brake light, dude. What kind of shit is that, dude? What kind of girlfriend doesn't want to come look at my third brake light into my wing, dude? What kind of shit is that, dude? Anyways. Anyways, you know what I mean? Yeah? Thumbnail, dude. Here. Car, I'm working on car help. Watch the videos, guys. I knew no one was watching that fucking New York video. I like I like making videos like that for just like archive's sake, and if like you guys enjoy it, you enjoy it. If you like, you know, no one's watch my fucking videos, you mean, but like watch my videos, guys, you know what I'm saying? But not that one, unless you care to see us just like bulling in New York. But back to regularly scheduled car programming. This thing does have to go back to paint, unfortunately, but everything is going to be made right, and I'm not going to sit here and bash any companies that are actively trying to help and make things correct, and you know what I mean? You know, like that's the bashing is only reserved for a company who like does bad shit and then doubles down and tells you to fuck yourself. That's when you bash them. But respectfully, if you're not gonna fuck me, I don't know why I said respectful, but if you're not gonna fuck me, I'm not gonna bash you. You know what I'm saying? I won't even tell the truth, dude. I'll just say everything was dialed the whole time. But either way, going back to paint, it's gonna be made right. I'm coming. She's like, come eat. But yeah, anyways. I like it a lot. I really think that I'm gonna do black bumper, but this shit is tough, dude. I love that. No, la policía, no, porco Dios, no, filia de puta, no. Just saw this thing driving down the road. Damn, dude. Real surf, fake surf. Unfortunately, I can't get that rear tire carrier because the US cars don't come with reinforcement on the quarter panel. But hell yeah, dude. This thing's fucking clean, man. Shout out to this guy. Got the same kind of wing. He's got the OE one, you can tell, because it kind of comes off a bit. Mine is like way smaller, but that's so sick, dude. That's so sick. It's a limited as well. Whew. Or maybe not. It's got limited cladding, but it's got cloth interior. But it's got the sport hood, dude. I mean, just get another front shot of this thing, because this thing is just fucking immaculate. Damn. Hell yeah, dude. So this is gonna be fun. I have to make this entire harness basically standalone while retaining the can so the fucking car works and doesn't set the fucking alarm off permanently. So now I have to go through this whole harness and figure out what I need and what I don't. That's it, dude. It's fucking lunchtime for me. I gotta get my window visors back on this. I need to do the painting thingies on this. The paint needs painting thingies. Hopefully by the end of the month this thing is sorted and looks how I want it to look. But look at this. Here's a better look at the friggin'... Hell yeah, dude. I fuck with that so heavy. Shit looks fucking legit, dude. Gotta eat my watermelon, guys. Gotta eat my watermelon. Still dieting. 4 more weeks. 4 more weeks and I'll be happy with my progress. There's my watermelon, dude. You know what I mean? Proper lunch, boys. Blood sugar's a little low, but we're still dialed. I was like, where'd you go? We're going to the carnival. We're going to carnival, dude. Friday night carnival. Oh, boy. Now that's a woman.
Damian, you're disgusting. I can't believe you did that.
Stacked up right now, dog.
Not really. We just paid $8 for this one ride.
And
4 tickets per person.
It's not even a slow Ferris wheel, like.
No, I'm going fast. I don't like it. Blowing my hair.
Yeah. You gotta do the thing. Yeah.